Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll solve your exporting issues today. If you're on CapCut PC and you have issues with exporting as well as rendering and stuff like that, you are just going to open up the project first, go to menu, go to settings, then you are going to performance. Under encode and decode, you're going to actually disable speed up hardware encoding. As you can see, it says unselected to avoid exporting issues caused by incompatible drivers will take effect after the project is reopened. Press save, close it, reopen it, and then hopefully you'll be able to export after you did that. So yeah, that is pretty much it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.